Jason, stop! You're acting possessed. I follow the shy man. I follow the shy man. The shy man that doesn't know how to live his life. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? We're going into Abby's. Should we go into Abby's just to get some quick footage, please? Hun? Stop! You're following my every move and I can't say I'm okay. How about that? Them apples. Percy!
Stop saying that. I lost you, Percy.
Bright enough or what?
Next song. Not sure what it is.
Together, yeah, we will have it all. You can't figure out this thing I can't bring no more. You can't seem to figure out.
I'm gay. I'm me and I'm free.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Merry Christmas.
You too. Ryan. Ryan, why didn't you tell me there was a man?
I told you 4 times.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. And you
Ryan's attempt to climb a mountain. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it.
What?
You can do it.
I did it.
Barely, just barely. Make it to the top. Do you want to be on?
Done.